Getting to know your Sonos system. Clicking the album art brings up the now playing menu. You can change tracks, you can shuffle, repeat, you can see what music service is providing the track, you can see the queue of your tracks, you can also, from this menu, save the song as a favourite, search for the artist, crossfade, which fades from one track to another, set a sleep timer, and you have some settings for the service, which is add song to my library, delete song, or you can browse the artist.